everyone, this is Cindy with Crane with the Heart, and I am back with the second installment of the Halloween collaboration. So this collaboration I am doing with Mandy's Place. She is hosting. Below in the description box, you will find all the participants. And I gotta tell you, the first week had some really good projects. So if you haven't checked that out, make sure you check it out, because lots of inspiration. People have some fun ideas. And I just love all the Halloween colors and all of that good stuff. So my project is actually going to start with a little bit of a haul. So Kim, I can't even remember what, I think it's Kimbo Creates. I will post her channel. She enabled me by showing these in a haul. And these are the Polka Doodles Halloween stamps that just came out, and they were on HSN, and they were an amazing price. I'm pretty sure they're sold out now. They were $19.99 for all three stamps, which is great because I think they ran about $10.95 each. So really, really good price. Even with shipping, it was amazing. So they are rubber, and I do highly recommend that if you use these stamps or any of the Winnies, I'm thinking are going to be like this as well, you really probably need some kind of a stamp tool, because you're probably not going to have a lot of luck stamping it really crisp the first time. It's just very detailed with the hair and everything, and just the type of etched rubber that they use. You really, really need a Ms.B, a stamp press, a Tim Holtz platform, something like that, I think, really to have success with using these stamps. Some people probably are expert stampers and probably don't. I am not, and I'm going to tell you that that I did have to repeat stamp that a couple of times to really get it crisp the way I wanted to. This is a little Darlings rubber stamp. This one is Winnie Magic, Winnie Dracula, and Winnie Broomstick. So, this is something else. So I made tags. These are 3x6 tags. I just did them on black cardstock, and I used pieces left over from some of my Doodlebug projects. I used the Tuesday morning $4.99 paper kit that you can find. There's a whole bunch of Doodlebug ones, and I was lucky enough to get a Halloween one. And I really wanted, I mean, this is not completely done because I am going to add some purple Nuvo drops. I have, when I say tons, I mean, I have boatloads of enamel dots. I mean, I can just kind of give you a small glimpse into my world of, you know, that's just a snippet of what I have. Okay, so I have all of these drops, or enamel dots, and on a single stinking purple one in the bunch, not a single purple dot. So I did order some. I decided to go with Nuvo drops because they were really reasonable. The enamel dots are like $4.99, and you could buy Nuvo drops, you know, on sale over Labor Day for less than $3. So it was a better bargain. So I did buy that, but the company that I ordered it from, I haven't gotten it yet. And that is nothing against the company I ordered it from. It was Labor Day. I'm sure they got a lot of orders. It'll probably come tomorrow, but this video is due. So this is the Winnie Dracula. I colored her with my Copics. Now I turned off my automatic zoom on my camera because it kept like going in and out. So keep that in mind. It's either it goes in and out, or, you know, you don't get as good of a close-up of it. So what I did was I just cut black cardstock 3x6. I layered it with this paper is SCI paper, but the other ones are Doodlebug, and this is a Doodlebug piece of paper that I had left that I just used my scallop punch on, and I popped it up. And then I made a crepe paper rosette using some, it's very simple to make, basically just folding paper. And I made that, and then I attached it to my tag, and then I attached my, this is attached with pop dots or foam dots. And she's colored in and fussy cut out, and then I just did some glitter on her hair. And then this chipboard piece right here is one that I got from Tuesday morning in the Tuesday morning Halloween haul that I had. And then right here, I have a black cobweb that I'd also got from Tuesday morning. And then I had some orange enamel dots, and I will be adding some purple ones because it just needs a little bit more color. And then here is some trim from my stash. This is actually the last of it with these 3 tags. And then this tag right here, this one is Winnie Broomsticks, my favorite one, because I actually did 2 of her, but this one is going to be going on. Oh, I got a little bent right there. It's a good thing this one's going to my sister. This one's going to my sister for her birthday. Her birthday's November 1st. So I always do Halloween stuff for her. So I did do 2 of these with the little witch. And so same thing, they're all pretty much the same. I used the cobweb cut in half, layered on here with some scalloped, scrap. This is a chipboard piece that I gotten from a Tuesday morning Halloween haul. I did a silver rosette, colored her with Copics, all purple. And I did some stickles a little bit on her dress and on her hair. And then I did the same trim as well as some orange enamel dots. I think she turned out very cute. And then the last one that I have to share is this one. This one is Winnie Magic. And, oh yeah, it's Winnie Magic that I did 2 of. Sorry, tired. Winnie Magic. So I did a chipboard piece here. It's basically the same layout with a little rosette. And I think and I did do some stickles on her hair. I think they came out very cute. So I'm going to package these up really cute. I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to package it up, but I will do a video before I mail this off because this is also a one-on-one swap. So everything that I make is going to be going to a specific person. So everything will get wrapped up, and then I'll do a final video before I mail it off and show you how I decide to package it up. I have no idea how I'm going to do it yet. So right now it was just a matter of making these and getting my video up. But I'm in the middle of making stuff for my school inspired projects, and I want to make more Halloween tags, which are super fun. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure that you visit all the other collaborators. They're going to make some fantastic projects. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.